All right, thank you again to the breakout groups for really great discussions. I will say for those of us who sort of listened in across the board and then met over lunch to talk about what we heard, a lot of the things that were discussed actually had nothing to do with the specific biological question that was being discussed in the room, but were training and infrastructure and those types of needs. So I, continue to push on those, and those are important. And I do think that maybe at some point deserves broader discussion of what the training needs are, because I think that came up in every session. All right, so now we're going to not switch gears, but do a follow-on. I told you for most of this we're looking at genomics across all of life, and now we're going to switch gears to the Human Genome Research Institute. And so it is my pleasure to be able to introduce Eric Green, who, for those of you who don't know, is the director of the National Human Genome Research Institute, and despite his young age, was there at the advent of the Human Genome Project and has been involved in fostering through so many of the projects that we've talked about as being foundational resources for the community. So, Eric, thank you.